Hello, everybody, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. And this is Tamia, and she's going to, she grows with me. Grow with me, please, all of you. And this is the Gardening Chronicles for Beginners. I got some pods that when I went to the festival last year, the Summer Fest, they had a whole bunch of tents out there and was giving away a lot of free things. I forgot all about these. I just happened to come across them the other day. So Demia wants to plant these. She wants to do these seed pods. And I didn't realize that they actually have seeds in here. So this one is, what is this one? Oh, it says it on here somewhere. Hello. Um, was it on the inside? Let's see. I don't know.
Yes.
Let's take this down so you can see what we're doing. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
We'll put it aside.
Okay, so it has a little pod in here that we're going to soak with water. And then, he's so silly. It says on the inside what these seeds are. So this one is broccoli.
Oh, broccoli.
Yeah, and I didn't realize that it came with seeds. So this one is broccoli. You want to open up the other one so we can tell them what they are?
Yes.
And put that in there.
I want to have you open.
Slide it.
Oh, yeah, slide it.
And take that little packet.
Slide it off to the side.
Yep, give me that little packet so I can read what that is.
Okay, I will tell them something.
Oh, that one has a little... This one didn't come with that. Take that little thing out. So this one are turnips. Let me see that yellow thing in there. It has a little tag. Is that? Oh, it says turnip. How about that? But look at this. So that's
guys,
for this one.
So guys, there is actually dirt. You just gotta put water in this dirt, and it will turn to dirt. So you know.
Yeah, it's called cocoa core.
Yes.
Okay, and then here's the other one.
Oh yeah.
You gonna take that out?
Yes, of course. Of course.
What happened to the little tag for this one?
Look,
This one doesn't have. This
one.
has a tag. So this is leaf lettuce. How about that?
But that one don't have a tag.
This one didn't have a tag.
They used to have. Let me tell them something about this seed.
What are you gonna tell them about the seeds? What do you know about the seeds? That's lettuce.
So I even don't see any more seeds. I don't see seeds.
There's seeds in there.
Patches.
There's little bitty. There, and I guess there's one. These are tiny and flat. So we're gonna see. Put your pod in each one of these.
Okay. What? Oh.
Set the pod in there like that.
Huh?
Do that one. Yep, take that tag out.
Yeah, I just dropped it.
Yep. Now put the pod in there.
I wonder why that one don't have a tag.
I don't know. We'll have to make a tag for that one.
Oh.
And then we'll soak these. I don't know how long they're going to take. We'll soak these and we'll come back. So I'm going to soak them with water. And I don't even know how much to put in there. I'm sure there's directions on here.
Oh, look.
Yeah. Oh, it's soaking up already.
Oh, my goodness. That was fast.
And if I put too much, then I pour it out. But it's soaking up real fast. Let me see if I can come closer so you guys can see.
So, yeah, it's soaking up right now. If you want to buy some of those, you can buy it.
Well, these were given to me free. So they can buy these. They can buy pods on Amazon or at the plant stores. But these were free. So what we'll do...
It's my channel or your channel?
Oh, boy.
What?
They're swelling up. So we'll wait a few minutes. We'll come back after they have swollen up and let you know what we're going to do.
Pumpkin?
Well, actually, this isn't going to take too long. I'll put a little bit more water in there, but they're really swelling up fast. So
Are you talking to them?
Yes.
Oh.
So I'm going to stir this up. Yeah, it's still kind of dry.
So, guys,
let's put some more water in there.
This one up so fast. So, yeah, that's the thing I know. Yeah, that's the only thing I know.
Okay. Let's put some more water in there, and let's stir these up and see.
So, I'm going to put a little bit of water in this one up really fast. So it will take no long time, you know?
Goofy.
Oh, look.
Okay, they're getting there. A little bit more water.
So, they really big. What?
All right, let's see how this soil is. Let's see if that's enough. You think you can stir these up without making a mess?
I don't know.
You don't know? You want to try?
Uh-oh. It's about to fall. Well, I can try.
You can try. Try this one and see. Stir it up just a little bit.
Okay. Take this stick up.
This one needs a little more water.
Is this swelling up already? A little bit more water.
You got to stick that down in there and kind of stir it up.
Without doing no messes.
Without doing a mess. Okay, I think that's pretty good for this one and this one. So let me read this. I think this whole packet goes in because this is going to dissolve. Yeah, I should have read before I came on and I didn't, but I'm pretty sure. Let's see.
Okay, I think I done. I think I done.
Okay.
At least I spin a little bit.
Yep. Hold on. Yep. So this is the leaf lettuce. And we'll put it here and just stick it down in the soil. That's what it says to do. And then I'm going to cover it up.
Yes, so.
Interesting. We're going to see. Cover that up.
You did a little bit from this.
Yep. And then
Let's go in the spin it on the table.
let me stick this in there so that we remember this is the leaf lettuce.
And this one.
That's the turnip. Okay.
This one's right here.
Put it on the side, like in the back. Yep. Then put that. You put that on top, and we'll stick it down in there. Yep. Put it on top. And then here, you can do it if you want to. Just push it down in there.
Oh, so
Push
shaky.
it. Yep. See if you can push it down in there and cover it with some of that soil.
Okay, it's very hard because something is sticking.
Yeah, it's coming apart already. Now just cover it up. Maybe okay, go ahead. I was gonna say I should have dug a hole, but I don't know.
Okay, now cover it.
Cover it up.
I got a big stick. I
Okay.
don't see the white part.
And then the other one, I'll have to make a stick for it. A tag.
You said stick.
A stick, I know. Take that one and put it on top, and then we'll cover that up. That's the broccoli.
Mm-hmm.
Push it down
do
in
you
there.
like broccoli or not? Well, I do.
You do. Push it down in there. And cover it up with the soil.
Whoa, come down.
Come down.
Come down, soil.
Yep, push it down in there, and then you can get more soil.
Okay.
You gotta cover it. Cover that paper. Okay, then we'll give it another squirt of water. You want to squirt the water? You gonna try? A little bit. Be careful. And I'll make the tag.
Bit.
Yep. That's good. Do the other two.
To you to get somewhere and grow. And that looks like the
And then do the last one.
That's good enough. Okay, that's done.
And then I'll write this tag out.
Because we close
Broccoli.
it.
Broccoli.
Okay.
So I'm just going to stick this tag in here for broccoli so we know what it is.
Yeah.
Okay?
Is this one?
So we're done. We'll come back, pick that up and show them. We'll come back and show you the progress. Hopefully they'll start growing. I've had them for a year. Well, I've had them since August. So here we go. Put that one up in the camera. There we go. We're going to set these over with the other seedlings, and we'll keep you posted on their progress.
See you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Peace
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
We'll see you. Deuces.
Deuces peace and love.
Okay, hit that like button.
And put this shirt on.
Shut up. Bye.